back to my channel. We are still working on the construction of a polygon when we are given the diameter of the circle and we are making some general method. Now what I'm trying to explain to you here is that you can afford the repeated use of compass to make arcs on the circle. So the diameter of the circle that we are using is 70 millimeters, which means the radius is 35 millimeters. So we have done that of the pentagon with the use of this method, and we have done that of the hexagon with the use of this method. Now we want to do that of the self-sided, that is heptagon, so with this same method, and you see how accurate and different it is from the normal general method. So I've taken a measurement of 35 millimeters. I'm putting a point of my compass here on this point on the paper. I will draw a circle like this. Okay, so we draw this circle. Okay, so we have the circle like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line through the center of the circle that we have on the paper. So we have this from here to here. Then since we are constructing a seven-sided polygon, so I'm going to divide this diameter of the circle into 7 equal parts. So I will draw a line in this direction from this point like this. Then I'm going to make 7 points on this line. So we have what we have. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 0.6, and then this is 0.7. So the last one, I'm going to connect it with the end of the diameter of the circle. So connecting these 2 points together, and then with my set square, I'm going to draw lines on each of the points that are parallel to this line. So if I shift it to this point, I will draw a line to meet the diameter of the circle. Shifting to this point, I will draw a line to meet the diameter of the circle. And shifting it to this point, I will draw a line to meet the diameter of the circle. And then shifting to this point, draw a line to meet the diameter. So also this point to meet the diameter, and then this point to meet the diameter. So all these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that I need to number this point. So this point is 0, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so this is 0.4, this is 0.5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'll take my compass, putting it at this point 0 here, and extending it to 0.7 like this. Then I will draw an arc up, and I will draw an arc from here down like this. Okay, then putting at 0.7 here, putting at 0.7 here. So and then it touches 0.0 here. I will draw an arc meeting this arc, and I will draw it down meeting this arc. So I'm going to call this point of intersection of the arc, I will call it point P. So while this point, I will call it point Q. So what I need to do now is that as we are constructing a seven-sided polygon, I'm going to draw a line from point P, passing through point 2, passing through point 4, and passing through point 6. Draw a line from point P, passing through point 2, point 4, and point 6. Then I'll do the same thing from point Q. I will draw a line passing through point 2, point 4, and point 6. So look at it. So if I draw from P, passing through point 2, okay, so I will draw from here like this, passing through point 2 and meeting the circle at this point. So it made the circle at this point here. So let's take note. Then if I draw again from point P, so passing through point 4, like this. So it made the circle at this point. This is another point here. Okay, so then if I draw from point P again, so passing through point 6, so I draw like this. So passing through points, I'm meeting the circle at this point. So this is another point. Okay, so then if I do the same thing from Q, I and I draw a line. So from Q here, okay, so if I draw a line from Q passing through point 2, so it touches the circle at this point. Okay, so then if I draw again from Q passing through point 4, from Q passing through point 4, so it goes like this, meeting the circle at this point. So this is another point. Okay, then I draw again from Q passing through point 6. So meeting the circle at this point. So we have what this point here. So now, so if I label this point, this is point A, and this is point B. So this is point C, and this is point G. So this is point E. So this is F, and this is G. So distance AG is the length of the polygon. Distance AB is length of the polygon, BC is length of polygon, CD is length of polygon, and so on. So all I need to do is to connect them together now. So I'll connect AB together like this, and then we connect BC together. Okay, so we connect CD together. Now point C and D, connect them together. I will connect point D and E together like this. Point EF, so connect them together. And we connect point FG together. Then point G and A, we connect them together to get the pentagon. So you can see this is how the pentagon moves, as simple as I've done it. Thank you and God bless you.